Okay, the decision time. So, partsbreakers.com, big junkyard, big salvage yard, Jeeps Unlimited. That's what we're been known for since 1984. Anyway, I just made a little short video. If you just watched it, we are trying to pick out something to crush right now. And I have determined that I can't crush any of my Jeeps. I will eventually, but I'm just not there yet. Mainly because every single one I walk by, even the ones that were pretty much completely parted, still had something on them. And Jeep parts are so hard to get, and I just have so much respect for them. I mean, I really do. I wouldn't have been doing this for so long and know how hard these parts are. So I came back to our non-Jeep section, and I am going to settle on, I think, this guy, which is a Mercury Sable. Probably the ugliest car I have in my whole entire lot, and it is fairly complete, so it should be fun to do. Glass is all intact. I might learn that that's a bad idea. I don't know. We'll see. But this one should be a fun one to crush. I thought about crushing some that had already been kind of crushed, rollovers, whatnot, but even that one's got a good frame on it, so I don't want to mess with that one. So it's this one here, and this is the before. If you can holding the phone right, let's see, make sure. Yep. You can see there's a broken front turn signal. Looks like the tires are popped or flat. That one's shredded. Glass looks to be completely intact. Interior is pretty trashed. Definitely a junkyard car, at least in my opinion. I'm sure somebody out there will disagree, but this one doesn't run. The engine is bad in it. Tranny, we don't know, so we don't sell things we can't run and drive. So for us, this is probably it. Now I just got to dig it out of here because it's not too far buried, but a little bit. This guy's going to have to come out first. So yeah, this is the second part 2, I should say. Part 3 will be me bringing it up front and putting it on the crusher if I can squeeze it in there. And I know you can't see it, but there's our crusher way back there. And you'll see it here up close and personal. We'll see if this thing, it's got 2 big hydraulic pumps, so never use it. Big old Cummins engine runs. It's a portable one, basically on a semi-flat trailer. So stay tuned if you want to see what happens to a Mercury Sable, I think is what those are. See what happens to one of those when it sees its final day.